Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
Could get another tornado warning, guys. I'm recording this earlier.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources.
I'm watching the radar, TBS.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
Oh my God. I got it right. I got it right. There's another EAS.
Please stand by for important weather information. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, southwestern Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 4 miles southwest of Salem, or 6 miles northeast of Walhalla, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Lake Keowee, Seneca, 9 times, 6 Mile, Clemson, Central. A tornado watch is in effect for the warned area. Severe thunderstorms can, and occasionally do, produce tornadoes with little or no advance warning. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest level of a house or other sturdy structure if a tornado is spotted. People in the path of this severe thunderstorm should be alert for large hail and damaging winds. Frequent lightning and locally heavy rain can occur with any thunderstorm. Seek shelter indoors away from windows and doors until the storm passes. To report damaging winds, large hail, or flooding through our automated reporting system, call our toll-free number 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Oconee and Pickens. A severe thunderstorm warning